G'day Cobbers, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai Elantra, stock reference number 5895. This shape ran from the 12th of 2015 to the 12th of 2020. It has a G4NA 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here's our G4NA 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, slight fold at the front, good private. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Boot lid, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid, auto gear shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.